There we go. All right, guys, I've got retired market maker. His name is Alan on the line with us. And just wanted to take a few minutes. This guy is very, very well connected. Been a retired market, is a retired market maker for a long number of years. Knows the Alan. Welcome aboard. Um, I wanted to ask you a couple of things on your ideas concerning Facebook, Apple, and all of this up and down that's going on the Facebook plays, how it relates to some of these other high beta stocks, as we were talking earlier. Why don't you give me your thoughts on that?
Thanks, Mikey. Hello, guys. My name is Alan, and there's some guys that I listen to that I know that have some ideas on why the market on these high flyers is reacting the way it is at this point. Most notably Apple and Google, and to a certain extent Priceline, with some of these other flyers. Even when the market goes up, these stocks are going down. They're certainly not getting the push that they're getting from the other stocks, and that's because my people are thinking that these guys are starting to lighten up on these stocks so they can have as much money available.
Now
for
you're
Facebook.
talking about, Alan, you're talking about like the Apples and Pricelines and some of these high flyers of the world, right?
Absolutely. These funds have tremendous profits on this, and they all do believe that the stock will be at 700. But from 600 to 700, you have 12-15% profit in there, which is all fine and good. But if you can get into a Facebook hit issue and you can watch it go up 2-3 times, it's a better percentage play. So these guys are trimming back their positions on these stocks, which is why you're getting the volatility up and down, but generally trending down. And they're going to, like I said, they're going to get as much money as they can so they can get as much Facebook as they can. And a lot of these guys, they're in and out guys. They'll go, they'll throw, they'll get as much Facebook as they can at issue. They'll probably even be involved in the aftermarket if it's not running too much. And what they'll do is they'll look to flip it as soon as they can. Some percentage of it they'll probably be longer term. But these guys are going to look to flip for a double or possibly even a triple.
You're talking about you're talking about on opening day.
Opening day or the first couple of days.
Gotcha.
Sometimes
Okay.
you'll see these stocks, they'll rip up, they'll come back a bit. That's when these guys will get involved again. If it opens just for a number, say it's $60, if you get a pullback to 50, these guys will be roaring back into the thing again, and they'll get the momentum going. And this is really probably, I would say, one of the only stocks right now that you'll have a real retail interest besides a stock like Apple, which people could buy 1 to 10 shares. But Facebook, they'll be able to buy 1,000 shares. They'll be able to buy 500 shares or 200 shares. And the retail interest in this stock will be bigger than anything you've seen probably in the last 10 years.
Yeah, because everybody, and there's like, what is there, like 900 million users or something like that? Or I don't know what it was. It's crazy.
Yeah, 900. It's gone from 800 to 900 in I guess the last year.
Yeah.
And it's nice growth, and they're looking to break into China, which is going to be very tough for them.
Yeah.
If they,
how are they
can break into China.
Have you looked into how they're going to monetize this? I know that obviously they're going to do, they have ad revenue, of course, but I'm told that they're going to probably be announcing some additional revenue streams. I can't imagine what they would be. Any ideas there?
Their major push is going to be mobile, and right now that's the largest. Yeah, that's the largest growth sector right now in all of social networking is mobile. LinkedIn is talking about mobile. Facebook is talking about mobile. Every one of these social, these internet plays, their growth is coming from mobile. So it's going to be ads. It's going to be a way for you. My personal opinion is they will partner with a company like PayPal, and they'll get their they'll get a little PayPal icon on your Facebook, on your mobile Facebook. So if you're out at you're out at a ball game and you see something you like over there and you say, holy shit, that's a beautiful, excuse my language, that's a beautiful sweatshirt. You go online, boom, you press you go through Facebook, because they're going to have all kinds of vendors there too, I believe. And you press your button, you pay through PayPal, and they'll monetize that way. That's my opinion. I haven't heard anything about it, but that's...
Wouldn't that be cool? Well, okay,
Yeah, I mean,
great. Alan, thanks a lot. That's fine. I'm gonna pipe this into the room a couple of times.
I just want to say one more thing. And what's going on now with Google and Apple and Priceline and these high flyers and high beta names, it's going to create a tremendous buying opportunity right before Facebook goes public, because guys will still be selling those names to have more money for Facebook.
Gotcha.
And it's going to push these stocks down, and it's going to give you a tremendous buying opportunity.
That's the other side of the coin.
Yes.
All right, well, good. That, man, is this some good information. Alan, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Enjoy your day off. And by the way, he's off today. He took the day off, but I managed to grab a few minutes of his time. I want to thank him for that. And we'll see you Monday back in the room.
You got it. Have a good one, guys.
Okay.
Enjoy.
All right. Bye-bye.